So welcome back to my channel. So today I got something that I've been wanting. I got a meow. Oh, looks like it just slides right off. Whoop. So how do I open this? I think I open it from the bottom. I'm opening it from the bottom. This video at all. Oh, I got a little strawberry cat. So cute. It's a little strawberry cat. I'm gonna name it Strawberry.
I think I'm gonna just put $10 in.
So I got a strawberry cat. It's so cute. Bye guys.